Let's learn how to create a business email for free. So let's get started. Go to google.com and write Proton Mail. After that, click on the first link. Then click on create a free account. Here you can see they have different plans. I am choosing a free one. Here you need to type your username. I am typing Fixmaster. You can select it protonmail.com or protonme. Username is already used, we can change a little bit. Here you can see this name is available. Here we need to type a password. After that, click on start using Proton Mail now. Now click on next. Set up a recovery method. I am adding my contact number. You can download desktop app as well and their mobile application as well. Here you can see the business email has been created. You can send here a new message from your business email or upgrade your plan if you need more storage, more email address, unlimited folders. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.